Children, now let us learn how to verify a numerical expression which carries exponents. Now see, verify that 729 is in the bracket to the power minus 5 by 3 and whole to the power minus 1 by 2 is to be shown that it is equal to 729 to the power minus 5 by 3 into minus 1 by 2. Both these minus 5 by 3 and minus 1 by 2 are in the powers place. So let us see how we can verify. Verification must be done always in two parts. You shouldn't start like this part this side and this part this side with is equal to in between. Is equal to should not be used both LHS and RHS together. You should start doing LHS first. First do LHS and then do RHS and then see, compare LHS and RHS, and if LHS and RHS is equal, then you can say that you have verified, and if LHS is not equal to RHS, then it is not verified. Okay. So let us start with LHS. I am taking LHS. What is our LHS? Our LHS is 729 to the power minus 5 by 3 and this whole to the power minus 1 by 2. In this case, we have to solve the bracket first. So this is 729. You see, this 729 is the cube of which particular number? Which particular number? So looking here, we can say that 9 nines are 89 and 81 nines are 729. So this is the cube of 9. So 9 cube to the power minus 5 by 3 whole to the power minus 1 by 2. Now again this will be power to the power. So 9 to the power 3 into minus 5 by 3, then whole to the power minus 1 by 2. Now 3 gets cancelled. This is 9 to the power minus 5 and again power to the power, so minus 5 into minus 1 by 2. So this will become 9 to the power 5 by 2. Now see, what is 9? Square of which number? This is a square of 3. So 3 square to the power 5 by 2. So 2 cancel. Now let us see what is our RHS. Our RHS is 729 to the power minus 5 by 3 into minus 1 by 2. It's very clear that you have to do the exponent part first. See, so because these are together now, 729 to the power, what you are getting? Minus 5 into minus 1 will be 5 and 3 2s are 6. So 729 to the power 5 by 6. Now see, what is 729? It is 9 cube, you know. You have seen here. So either you can put it as 9 cube or you can put it as 3 to the power 6. Because see, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81, 81 3s are 243 and 243 3s are 729. So 3 power 6 is 729 to the power 5 by 6. So this will become 3 power 6 into 5 by 6. So 6 and 6 cancel. You are left with 3 power 5. Now children, you can see that your LHS is also 3 power 5 and RHS is also 3 power 5. So you can say that LHS is equal to RHS and these two are equal to 3 power 5. So verified. So we have verified. Children, now let us see one more type of question. See here, solve the exponential equations. These are exponential equations. Your first one is root 6 to the power x minus 2 is equal to 1. In such cases, you should know what to do exactly. See here, when your bases are equal, then only your powers will be equal. So you have to try to do something in which your bases will become equal. Here you are having 1. Do you remember in what case you have 1? I hope you do remember that anything to the power 0 is 1. Whatever the number is, if you put the power as 0, it will be equal to 1. So what is the base here? Our base here is root 6. You can take root 6 as base. It can be 6 power half to the power x minus 2, then it can be taken as 6. But directly also you can take root 6 to the power 0, because anything to the power 0 is 1. So you can say that root 6 to the power x minus 2 in the LHS can be written as root 6 to the power 0 in the RHS. Now see, bases are equal. Bases are equal. When bases are equal, your powers will also be equal. So x minus 2 is equal to 0. What does this say? This says that x is equal to 2. So here your answer is x is equal to 2. You can verify also, children. See here. Root 6 to the power x minus 2. If you put x equal to 2, what will happen? Root 6 to the power 2 minus 2. That means root 6 to the power 0. And root 6 to the power 0 is nothing but 1. So I think this is clear to all of you. Now let us see next part. 3 to the power 4x is equal to 1 by 81. Here also we have to do something that will make the bases of LHS as well as RHS equal. So here here your LHS is 3 power 4x. It is directly given, so you cannot do anything to this. Let us see what we can do to RHS. Here RHS is 1 by 81. So 81 is the power of 3. You have to find 81 the power of 3. See, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, and 27 3s are 81, means 3 power 4. So 3 power 4x is equal to 1 by 3 power 4. Now in this case, you want your 3 power 4 in the numerator. You want your 3 power 4 in the numerator. So what will you do? You will just take it to the numerator. When you take anything to the numerator from the denominator, the sign of the power will change. So what will happen here? 3 and 3 are equal. Now you have got both the bases equal. So bases are equal here again. So if bases are equal, then powers will also be equal. Bases are equal, your powers will be equal. So that means 4x will be equal to minus 4 and your x will be equal to minus 4 by 4. So if you cancel, you will get x is equal to minus 1. Now look here, third one. Root 2 to the power x is equal to 2 power 8. In both the sides, we have already now taken into account and understood that we have to have what? Bases equal. That means the base in the LHS must be equal to the base in the RHS. So either you have to make this as 2 or make this as root 2. Better you make this as 2. So this will be 2 to the power 1 by 2 whole to the power x is equal to 2 to the power 8. Now this can be written as 2 to the power x by 2, because 1 by 2 into x will become x by 2, will be equal to what? 2 to the power 8. Now see, bases are equal. Again here bases are equal. So what we are going to do? We shall equate the powers. So x by 2 will be equal to 8, and this will say that x will be equal to 2 into 8 or x will be equal to 16. So this is how you can solve the exponential equations. Children, now let us read this question. As a part of Earth Day celebrations, an inter-class poster making competition was conducted in 9 sections of class 8. I hope you all will agree that these type of competitions are often conducted in the schools, and you might also have gone through this. Each section was provided sheet measuring 75 centimeter into 40 centimeter. So every class received this much sheet for making the poster. Now what you have to do is, you have to find the total area of the sheet provided to the students. See, this much sheet was provided to one class. So how many classes were there? One class means one section. Now there are 9 sections. So total sheet provided will be this much multiplied by 9. Because these type of sums you have already done. What is new here? You have to express the area in exponential form. How will you get the area first? Find the area. Area will be amount of sheet given to one section multiplied by number of sections. That means here total area will be equal to 75 centimeter into 40 centimeter into 9 classes. Isn't it? 9 classes. So let us see how much is this value. So 75 into 40 into 9. Let us see. 75 into 40 into 9. See children, 40 9s are. This you can directly make it. This will be 4 9s are 36, 360. And this is 75. Let us multiply 75 and 36 and then find out what is our. 6 5s are 30, 3, 6 7s are 42 and 3 45. Then 3 5s are 15, 1 21 and 1 22. So 0 0 4 2 6 and 1 7. This is 2700 and we have 1 0. So 27,000 centimeter square you are getting. Okay. So this is 27,000 centimeter square, but you have to show it in the exponential form. See, this 27,000 can be written as 27 into 1000. 1000 is the cube of 10 and 27 is the cube of 3. So 3 cube into 10 cube. So this is 30 cube centimeter square. Isn't it? Now, next question is, write any 2 ways by which you can save earth. My dear children, people have already said that, and we also know Mother Earth has everything for our need and nothing for our greed. So for me, I would say that we should use all the resources available on this earth judiciously. Because if we are using it unnecessarily, then it is destroying Mother Earth as well as the resources. Next point is, plant as many trees as you can. Plant trees. Okay. Next, third point you can do what? Use water judiciously. That I have already told. Do not use plastic because it is destroying the soil, as well as it is non-biodegradable. Do not use plastic. Okay, dear children.